Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 255. Let's see, if we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column then, we're just missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 8, and 8 here, so 4, 6, 4, 6. That means that our 8 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 7. Don't see any other help. So 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 5, 4, and 5 here. So that means our 2 is here. That makes this our 5 and our 4. For this box, then, we're just missing a 7. For this top row, then, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 2. I don't see any other help, so we need a 4 and 6 there. For this column, we're missing a 1 and a 9, and I don't see any help, so 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this box, then, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. That 9 makes this our 1, so this is our 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 5, no help here, 3, 5, 6, and a 3 here, so 5, 6. For this row, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 5. And the 6 there makes this our 7, 6. That 5 makes this our 3. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this row, then, we're missing a 2. And then we can get rid of this 3 here. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. And this box now, we're missing 1 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 5. And since the 7 can't be here or here, it must be here. This row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got the 7 covering both of these boxes now, so the 7 up. Did we make a mistake again? This isn't 1, 5, and 7. 1, 5, and 8. That makes more sense. So we've got a 1 and 8 here. So this is our 5. That 5 makes this our 1. So that would mean our 8 has to be here. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. This 5 makes this our 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. Just looking it over here, I don't see any mistakes, but I certainly could have made some. If you see any, let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.